Okay, hello. This is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and we're going to show you our mobile hotel that we're finishing up. This is a Ford Transit, and we did a little bit of additions. The hubby went ahead and painted the wheels. I mean, this part right here, the rims. He went ahead and painted them black. Of course, they were silver, metalish like. We went ahead and added the side step so I don't slip and break my neck. So we went ahead and painted, added some more paint features to this right here. And of course, this is heat resistant paint. So we added some to the muffler, coming around to the back. He went ahead and added a trailer hitch so we can tow our fishing boat because we're going to be doing fishing. And we went ahead and added some tinted windows. And as we come around, this is basically the rest of it done. We went ahead and added a new mirror window, and then we got some window coverings. And this is the outside of the Ford Transit. And as we come inside, what we did was we just went ahead and put this cover so we could work inside. So people can't see actually what we're doing. So we just got this cover there just for this. This is only a temporary cover, and we just attached it with some string. So come right on inside. As you come inside, you'll see that we have our carts. That's going to be our bed. And these are just temporary. This is a no build. So the carts are like $25 from Amazon. And we went ahead and put some foam on there. And you see some fans that we have up there going on to make sure that we have some type of circulation, because we don't have a lot of windows in this fan. So the circulation is going to come from the front and bring it on to the back. Then right here, we got some temporary installation. We got some blackout curtains back there. We also have a net here for some extra storage.
Morning.
And then we have some more blackout curtains just for some extra insulation. If you look down on the ground, we have an exercise mat on the ground, and we also have these right here. These are moving covers that you just get at Harbor Freight, and we actually laid them on the ground for installation. So this is a cheap way. Just remember, this is a no build. Over here, you can see this is one of our water jugs that we'll be filling. We don't have a microwave in here, so these are hot plates. Plug them in to our Echo little power pack right there, and that'll heat up our food instead of having a microwave. So this is a cheap, efficient way of not having a microwave. We got some more bungee cords because you will need the bungee cords to go ahead and tie a lot of these things down. Also got some more inside lights. That's for these right here. So they have magnets on them. So we'll stick them up. We also got a temperature in here, so we can just regulate the humidity and the temperature in here. As you come here, we don't know if we're going to keep it here or not, but we have a metal storage container. So we got our Echo right here. This is a power pack. We also have a refrigerator. This is a small refrigerator. Some more storage right here. You can take hooks right here, these hooks, and you can hang up a lot of stuff with the hooks. As you come around here, you'll see we have our sink right here. And that's the gray tank that'll be hooked up. And you can actually take this, put some water in here and wash, and then you can go ahead and dispose of it. Or you can go ahead and let the water run right down into the gray tank and go ahead and dispose of it. As we come around here, this is for inside cooking when it's raining in our area. So we can go ahead and plug that into that power pipe and go ahead and do some inside cooking, but we will make sure we're doing the cooking in the front where there's air ventilation. We also have our fire extinguishers that you're supposed to carry. And inside here, we also have our smoke alarms. We got our first aid kit, and we got our carbon monoxide. So we got those, and those will be going up soon. This is another storage right here. Right here, we have our emergency bathrooms. You'll see 3 buckets here. So 2 is the emergency if we both have to go together. And then we have 1 right there for our fishing bucket. Okay, and as you come up to the front, we have a security lock. That's one of the measures of security we use. We're not going to go ahead and mention the other measures of security we use. If you look around, we have the window coverings on all the way around. And then we have blackout curtains here. And we also take this and put it around to separate, to keep them separated when we're driving, so this is not shifting. So this is just sliced open and it goes right over the bar. So that's what we have been working on as far as our mobile hotel. And with this mobile hotel, we'll get to go a lot more places and not worry about hotels and save ourselves a lot of money. And get out here and enjoy life and bring you some videos. Okay, so that will be the ending of this video. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll be bringing you some more with our mobile hotel build. Have a nice day. Goodbye.